Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas Calligraphy, where I'm going to show you how to letter 12 Christmas and holiday phrases. I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and the first phrase we're going to do today is Happy Holidays. We're gonna get started right away. I'm using my holiday lettering guide and the Pentel Fooded brush pen. I'm gonna put a link to them down below if you would like to grab them and follow along with me. And I am doing real-time calligraphy for this Happy Holidays phrase. Now, as you can see, I make a small pause every time I do the stroke. This is a tip for you. It's going to be super helpful for you to go slow. It's going to help you get better letter forms as well as consistency in the way that you do your letters and the spacing. One of the benefits of modern calligraphy is that it's a mindful and relaxing hobby. So just make sure that when you're doing calligraphy, you try to relax, go slow, because calligraphy can help you reduce stress and promote mindfulness. So this is a great way to unwind and take a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Now for this second way of writing Happy Holidays in calligraphy, I'm using a Tombow dual brush pen. For reference, this is a Jade Green number 379, and if you're new to calligraphy, this pen is considered a large tip brush pen, so the strokes that it's going to produce are going to be considerably larger than the one that I was using before, which was a small tip brush pen. Now for this Happy Holidays design in calligraphy, I decided to add flourishes, which are the embellishments that I'm doing at the end of some of the letters, and this is gonna help elevate your Christmas signs and cards. Let me know in the comments which other phrase you would like me to show you how to write in calligraphy. Now, if you want to learn how to letter Merry Christmas in calligraphy, make sure you watch the next video.